And I give our guys all the credit in the world because I don't know how many teams would have even hung with it at 5-23. And then you've made them endure all this change too. So, we get to the 5-23 at Christmas and Josh goes and now we're playing differently. And Tolliver comes in, changes our rotation there, so it's new chemistry there. We go 16 games, Brandon gets hurt, now new chemistry there. Then we bring John Lucas in ahead of Spencer, new chemistry there. And then we get to all that stuff, we get to the trade deadline and we send 4 guys out and bring 3 new guys in, and things change again. That's hard as hell for players. And for them to have gone through all that, 5-23, and all the changes, and just continue to go out there and work at it and play hard, you got to give them all the credit in the world. It's not that hard as a coach. It's really, really hard for players.